Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a custom catalog based bid on GeM. This feature is designed to help buyers procure specialized products and services that may not be readily available on the platform. Many times, the buyers have requirements to define bids for categories which are not part of the Government e-Marketplace category set. Creating a Government e-Marketplace category definition may take time due to the due diligence and process involved for defining the Government e-Marketplace category. Therefore, this functionality introduced for buyers for creating custom catalog-based bid for items not available on Government e-Marketplace. Buyers can define custom catalog-based bids based on their needs even when product and service category does not exist on Government e-Marketplace. The sellers would participate in the bid based on the requirements defined by the buyer. Here are the key features of this functionality. The functionality allows buyers to create a custom catalog by providing relevant information such as title, reference price, selling unit, specifications, drawing documents, reference images, related categories, etc. for unavailable items post creation of GeM availability report. It allows buyers to bunch 2 or more custom catalog. It allows sellers to participate and confirm compliance to the buyer's custom catalog requirement. The sellers will be required to create a custom offering for the same and offer the same in the bid. The custom catalog requirements will be part of the order and the contract. Custom catalog bids can only be created by central government buyers. For custom catalog-based bid for CPSEs, the minimum bid duration is 10 days and maximum is 45 days. For bids with a duration of less than 21 days, approval from the competent authority must be uploaded. Undertaking of competent authority is mandatory to create BOQ, custom bid. User has to download standard format document and upload it by clicking. The functionality will be primarily useful for all buyers for the procurement of specialized products that are currently not available on Government e-Marketplace, procurement of technical, engineered products that would require detailed specifications, drawings, etc. Feature of uploading custom specifications and drawing documents has been provided. Procurement of additional, side products that the buyer wants to procure but are not available on Government e-Marketplace. Procurement of any one-time service, bunch of services such as site survey, one-time audit service, one-time training, etc. To begin, a buyer or secondary user needs to log in to their GeM account. First, open your browser and go to the official GeM website, gem.gov.in, and click on the login button. After a successful login, you will be directed to your dashboard. To proceed, click on the Dashboard button. A key first step is to check if your required product or service is already available on GeM. You can do this by accessing the GeM availability report from your dashboard. Alternatively, you can view and download the GeM availability reports generated in the last 30 days here. Create a new report to search for your required product or service. After generating the report, please click here to download the standard document format for the undertaking to be signed by the competent authority for creation of BOQ, custom bid. Next, click here to download the standard format document. This is the sample of undertaking for custom bid, BOQ creation on GeM. The requested details, like file number, date, information of required goods or services, search string used in the GARPTS report, the GARPTS ID, and similar categories for sending notifications from GeM needs to be updated. Additionally, the competent authority must read and acknowledge the undertaking by signing this document. Now, click on Choose File to upload the undertaking and click Submit to proceed. After you've generated your GeM availability report, you'll see a button to create a custom catalog for items not available on the platform. Click on this icon to start the process of creating your custom bid. If you have previously created a custom catalog, you can either view your pending catalogs or use existing ones. To create a brand new catalog, click on the Create New Catalog button at the bottom right. On the Product Creation page, you need to fill in all the required details such as title, reference price of the catalog, selling unit, related similar categories, upload specification and drawing documents and reference images of the catalog here. Choose up to 3 similar product categories available on Government e-Marketplace. This information will be used for sending direct notifications to the sellers for participating in this custom catalog based bid. Then, click here to save and preview the catalog. Once saved, you'll see a preview of your custom catalog. You can review all the information you have entered. If required, click here to edit the catalog and then click on Publish to publish the catalog. Any catalog you have saved but not yet published can be found under the Pending Custom Catalogs tab. From here, you can edit or publish a catalog at any time. This allows you to prepare your bids and publish them only when you are ready. Once published, your custom catalog will appear in the Custom Catalogs section. If required, you can select and map these published catalogs with your GeM availability report. After selecting, mapping the custom catalog, click here to proceed. Fill in the consignee details, type in the quantity of the product to be purchased and click on Add to Cart to proceed further. Next, the buyer needs to click on Proceed to Checkout when all required custom catalogs have been included in the cart. In the Specifications tab, the buyer can click on Download to download the specification document associated with the custom catalog to cross-verify the requirements. In the Bid Details section, the buyer needs to select the bid duration, which should be a minimum of 10 days and a maximum of 45 days. In case the bid duration is less than 21 days, an approval from the competent authority needs to be uploaded. The buyer can request sellers to upload a PDF as part of the financial document. Sellers can upload prices of spares or consumables as a PDF document. The buyer may refer to the tooltip for more details. Next, the buyer needs to upload the competent authority's approval and click on the undertaking to proceed with the custom catalog based bid and then click on Save to proceed ahead. The buyer can download the draft bid document to review the bid. Once reviewed, the buyer needs to click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions of Government e-Marketplace and then select the relevant option to verify and publish the bid. Here are the key takeaways for this module. The buyer would be asked to take an undertaking that the procurement of required item is not feasible from the items, catalogs available on Government e-Marketplace. For custom catalog based bid, the minimum bid duration for all buyers is 21 days and for CPSE buyers it is 10 days. Approval from the competent authority, however, needs to be uploaded for bids with less than 21 days bid duration. All such custom definitions may be considered for defining new categories on Government e-Marketplace later. Thank you.